Junction. And car 137 is here.
Careful getting out.
It's just right here. They do. It's 142.
I think you probably go down the steps. I think there might be a tunnel underneath. So that's what it looks like. What do you think, Mila?
I'm pretty sure you have to go through West Halfway.
She's saying there's a lot of steps and then like go underneath.
Go past West Halfway and then you're there. You want 137? Let's take it off. 137's heading to 69th Street, and the other one's in Norristown.
So what's next?
More come. Here I got the next train coming in. It's the 69th Street train from Norristown. We got one car, which is 153. That is a loud noise. That may hurt my ear.
Oh, you waved down. What did you get?
What?
You waved down. That's why you honked your horn.
269th Street. We are just waiting for the Norristown train at 1:15 at about 1:12, and then that's it for today here in Norristown.
So how long? 2 minutes?
The next one departs at 1:17, and he's out of here.
5 minutes.
So he's gone. We got the next train to Norristown next. And then that's it for today here on the Norristown High Speed Line. And we'll catch one with the regional rail. More to come. Train coming in. This is it.